Alright, so we're entering Ferrari world, as well as should be. This event's hosted by Ferrari, so that's pretty cool. They brought a lot of cars out here though. Be good. Now we've seen this one once before. I had a video about this car right here. It's at Liberty Walk Ferrari, which I did a video about a month ago on this one. Check out this diffuser. This is deep dish wheels right there. Now this is a 2002 360 Spider Silver Liberty Walk. Pretty sick. I believe it was in SEMA. In 2017 SEMA Dub magazine. Maserati right here, huh? Be cool. 328 GTS here, huh? Yes. Blue pedals. 1989. Wow. That's pretty sweet. As you can see, a ton of them around the background here. A lot of modern ones, new ones. Check out the view from far away, a little Testarossa. Another 360. This one's this is in 2007. This is pretty sweet right here. 458. Portofino, huh? This is new. These are 2019 right here. 2019 Portofino. You can tell a nice upgrade on technology in here compared to some of the older ones. Touchscreen. It's a nice blue right here in this 458 Italia. Nice. Is that cool? That's pretty cool. Little band for us, huh? It's like a small parade. Look at this guy's hair. what that's about.
How you doing, Joe?
Looks like you got a Catwoman right here. That's their mini parade. Check out some of these Ferraris behind the ropes. Guys, check out this badass Ferrari. I want to say it's a 458. Pure race car. Ferrari Challenge car. It looks like it's, yeah, it's definitely on slick, so this is definitely not a street legal car. Check out this wing. That's pretty sick, huh? It's pretty sweet. Hey, we got plenty of cars here. I'm gonna bring them all to you guys, so just stay tuned.